The Arctic. In 2016, the minimum ice extent was 29% below average, the second lowest recorded. 19 subpopulations of polar bears live in the Arctic, and they use the sea ice to catch seals that come up to breathe. Some models suggest that the Arctic could be ice-free in summers by the end of the 21st century. Polar bears will have to adapt to survive.
Polar bear habitat is getting better in some areas but worse in others. As the older ice disappears, there's more new ice for polar bears to hunt on, but the problem is when the ice disappears altogether.